But I mean, just look at my teeth right now. They're so stinking white. So I was sold from the first strip until the next day. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me for today's video. So today's power review is on the Lumineux Oral Essentials. These are the whitening strips. This is a highly popular product on Instagram. This is what influenced me to purchase it because the ads on Instagram show just the prettiest, whitest teeth that you'll ever see, and so I had to try it out for myself. So these are certified non-toxic whitening strips that are made from all natural ingredients. They claim to whiten your teeth without the sensitivity, and they're enamel safe. They offer different kits on their website. I got the kit with the whitening strips, the toothpaste, the mouthwash, and a toothbrush. So in my kit, I only got 14 strips, which is 7 treatments, and I paid $45 for that kit. So it comes with this whitening kit usage, and it tells you to use the strips once a day for the first 4 days, and then 1 to 2 times a week after that for maintenance. But because I only got the smaller kit, which only has 7 treatments, I used a treatment every single day for the first 6 days, and then I wanted to save the last one for when I was filming this video so you guys could see what it looked like after I used it. So I do agree with the claims that it doesn't cause any sensitivity. I would never ever be able to use like Crest white strips, which is what I've used in the past, every single day for 6 days. There is no way. My teeth would just fall out. So the fact that I could use this for 6 days in a row and not have any sensitivity was great. The strips themselves, not a big fan. They're similar to the old Crest white strips that were very thin and they kind of slipped around your mouth. That's what like these were like. Not as bad, but still kind of like that. So especially the bottom, they wouldn't stay. They kept moving around. It was a mess. Then once you take the strips off, there is a film on your mouth. It is very thick and very goopy. And if you think about it, I mean, it's made with a lot of oils. So it says you can rinse right after and just go on with your business. I don't feel like I could have done that. I had to brush my teeth after every time I used it, which it's not a big deal, but it's just different than any other white strips that I've used. And then for the whitening effect. These strips give you the most beautiful, glowy, white teeth I've ever had. The before and after, it's kind of hard to see a huge whitening effect, but there's something else these strips do to your teeth that just make them kind of glow. I don't know how to explain it. It just looks so good. They look so bright and noticeable and white, and I loved the way they looked. So I was sold from the first strip until the next day, and I felt like my teeth just lost that glow that they had. And then I would use the strip again, and then it would come back, and then we would just going through this whole cycle. So that is my problem with these strips. I think that your teeth look beautiful after using it. It's just that it doesn't last. Like if I were to use the Crest white strips, they whiten your teeth, and that whitening effect lasted. This didn't seem to last on me, at least. So sadly, I don't think I'm going to be purchasing it anymore because it's not working for me long term, you know? But I mean, just look at my teeth right now. They're so stinking white. So, I mean, I don't know. Is it too extra to get whitening strips to use just to make your teeth look good for one day?
Is it? I don't know. Because they look really good. It's hard.
I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. If you have any ideas as to why this is happening, or if you've used this product and you have different results, please leave them in the comments below so that we can talk about this, because I would love to love this product and be able to use this instead of the Crest white strips. But for now, I'm gonna have to stick with the Crest white strips because at least, you know, I get long-term effects out of that. So yeah, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!